Good morning, children. Welcome to your English class. Children, today we are going to learn about homophones. In English language, there are many words having similar sound but different meanings and spellings. Such words are called homophones. I mean, homophones are words that sound the same but are spelled differently and have different meanings. Children, there are three words. The first one is TO2, second one TWO2, and third one TOO2. They all have the same sound, but their meanings are different. TO2 used as preposition, TWO2 name of a number 1 and 1 2, and TOO2 mean also. Now we have to fill these words to the correct sentences. The first one, I wanted to eat TWO2 slices of pizza because I was so hungry. The second one, my friend asked me if she can come to the festival TOO2. We went to the park TO2, the park for a picnic. Now, SON, son, and SUN, son. SON, son mean a male child of a person. SUN, sun, the star nearest to the earth. The first sentence, I love watching the SUN, sun, go down. My son, 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 started a new school this year. MAID, made, MADE, made. The spellings are different but they have similar sound and they have different meanings. The first one, Mrs. Luck, MADE, made, mean built a cake for the class. MAID, made, mean a female help. The maid came in the afternoon to clean the house. Now, SEAC, a water body. SEEC mean to look. We went sailing across the big blue sea, SEAC. I can SEEC you hiding in the bushes. Now, RIGHT, right, mean correct. WRITE, right, mean to make words or letters on a paper with the help of a pencil or a pen. Mean you are using a pen or pencil and you are making words, letters and write the sentences. So, now they have the similar sound but they have different meaning. The first sentence, I need to know the right answer, RIGHT, correct answer. Second one, WRITE, write down each word correctly. NIGHT, night, mean opposite of the day, or you can say a part of the day in which so many people or most of the people sleep when it is getting darker also. KNIGHT, a soldier. Now we have to fill these words in the sentence. You go to bed at night. N-I-G-H-T. The brave knight saved the princess. K-N-I-G-H-T. Mean a soldier. No. When we give answer in a negative way, we use this word, or you can say the opposite of yes is no, no. K-N-O-W, no, mean having knowledge about something. Now we have to fill these words in the sentence correctly. The first one is smoking in the airplanes, mean no smoking, no smoking in the airplanes. Do you know, K-N-O-W, know what's in the box? What is this in the box? Do you know? Do you have knowledge about it? H-A-R-E, hare, mean the other name for a rabbit, the name of an animal. H-A-I-R, hare. What do you mean by hare? The hare, the mass of long thin strands that grow on the head or on the skin of the animals also. It is hair. Now you have to fill these words correctly in the sentences. My hair is longer than yours. H-A-I-R. There was a big hare, H-A-R-E, rabbit, hopping in my backyard. Flower, F-L-O-W-E-R, flower, mean the most beautiful part of a plant. F-L-O-U-R, flower, mean, what do you mean by this? A very thin powder made from wheat and some other grains which are used to make bread, cake or chapatis, etc. Now we have to fill these sentences. To make cake, you have to add flour, F-L-O-U-R. I picked a pretty flower, F-L-O-W-E-R, for my mom. Now, M-E-A-T, meat, mean flesh of an animal, or you can say parts of an animal that people eat. And M-E-E-T, meat, to come together. Now we have to fill these words in the sentences correctly. I get to M-E-E-T, meet my pen pal for the first time. Pen pal, pal mean friend. Pen pal, a friend whom you write, whom you wrote, but you have never met. By writing a letter, you have made the friendship. It is called pen pal. I get to meet my pen pal for the first time. M-E-A-T, meat is my favorite thing to eat. T-A-L-E, tail, mean a story. T-A-I-L, tail, the part at the end of the body of an animal, bird or fish. Now we have to fill these words. My puppy's tail, T-A-I-L, tail, got stepped on. Second sentence, the old man told a fantasy tale during, T-A-L-E, tale, during story hour. Now, D-Y-E, dye, mean to color. D-I-E, dye, mean to stop living. I wish my fish didn't have to die, D-I-E. Now, the kindergartners got to dye their shirts. D-Y-E, dye, to color. W-E-E-K, week, mean a period of 7 days. W-E-A-K, weak, mean not strong. Now, both the words have same sound, but they have different meaning. So, we have to fill these words in the sentences correctly. Week, this is our test. This week is our test. W-E-E-K. The teacher feels so light-headed and weak. W-E-A-K. It means she was feeling that she was not strong. Children, I think you could understand these homophones. So, thank you.